are you all today? So today we are going to do the tiny caterpillar song. That's right, the teeny tiny caterpillar. So we're going to use our magic hands to make caterpillars. So all we need is to use one of our fingers to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle the teeny tiny caterpillar. Well done, that's excellent. And we're going to get the other hand to use as our leaf. So let's put our caterpillar on the leaf and we're going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle him the whole way through. Excellent. So after all that wiggling, he gets super duper hungry. And what do caterpillars eat? That's right, they eat the leaves. So let's change our hand shape to a munching shape. And we're going to munch, munch, munch that leaf. Very good, everybody. And that leaf is all eaten up and the caterpillar is feeling really full. His tummy is so full and he feels really sleepy, so he wants to go to sleep. So we're going to spin his cocoon. So we need to roly-poly our arms really, really fast to spin, spin, spin the cocoon. That's it, guys. Well done. Faster, faster. And then after he spins the cocoon, he goes to sleep. And then he wakes up. But you know what? He is not a caterpillar anymore. Can anybody tell me what he turns into? Well done, that's right. He turns into a beautiful butterfly. So we're going to make the most beautiful butterfly wings with our hands. So we can do something like this by crossing our thumbs and doing little flutters, flutter, flutter, flutter. Or we can cross our hands like this and do bigger flaps, flap, flap. Or we can stretch our arms up to the sky and make beautiful big butterfly wings. So will we try it together with the song? Let's do it. Okay, let's get our tiny caterpillars out and wiggle them on the leaf. Are we ready? Let's go, everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There's a tiny caterpillar on a leaf. Wiggle, wiggle. There's a tiny caterpillar on a leaf. Wiggle, wiggle. There's a tiny caterpillar. Tiny caterpillar. There's a tiny caterpillar on a leaf. Ready to munch that leaf. We're hungry caterpillars now. Munch, munch, munch. He will eat the leaves around until he's full. Munch, munch. He will eat the leaves around until he's full. Munch, munch. He will eat the leaves around him. Eat the leaves around him. He will eat the leaves around until he's full. Well done. Do you remember what comes next? That's it. He is tired. So let's spin the cocoon. A cocoon is what he's spinning for his home. A cocoon is what he's spinning for his home. Spin, spin. A cocoon is what he's spinning. Cocoon is what he's spinning. A cocoon is what he's spinning for his home. Spin, spin. And he goes to sleep. And he wakes up and turns into a butterfly. And he'll be a butterfly. Fly away. Flap, flap. Then he'll be a butterfly. Fly away. Then he'll be a butterfly. Be a butterfly. Then he'll be a butterfly and fly away. Flap, flap. Well done. That was excellent. Great job, everybody. Beautiful butterflies and caterpillars. So we are going to do a caterpillar song where we're going to explore tapping our instrument really quietly and slowly getting louder and louder until we tap really loud. Just like that. So I know you can all play drums so loud, but we're going to try and test you all to see, can you start by playing it really quietly? And as the song goes, so does your music until it gets really loud. Will we try it together? So go get a drum or something that you can play loud and softly. Okay, are you ready? Great job. So I'm going to count you in. I'm going to count the really steady beat. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, wriggle about. Caterpillar, caterpillar, growing stout. Caterpillar, caterpillar, spin your cocoon. Caterpillar, caterpillar, butterfly. goodness, we got really loud at the end. So let's try that again. So the song, as you could hear, is about a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. So caterpillars are really small, so we don't want to scare the little caterpillar. So let's tap our drums even quieter. Can we all do that together? Let's start off really quietly. Shh. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Caterpillar, caterpillar, wriggle about. Caterpillar, caterpillar, growing stout. Caterpillar, caterpillar, spin your cocoon. Caterpillar, caterpillar, butterfly soon. Wow, my goodness, that was really good, everybody. Well done. Super duper growing with your music.